all the things.
You think you couldn't do that thing today? You can.
You can. It's all in your head.
It's all in your head. It's all in your head.
It's my workout girl kept trying to tell me all this morning. Wanting to stop right now is all in your head. You just have to decide to do it. My body is saying, hell no! You just have to decide to do it.
All right, I'm going to decide
I'm going to keep doing it.
Right? My mind says no. I do that when I'm running. When I'm running, and I hate running, I realize that my mind is actually really strong.
Oh, yeah.
I have a really strong mind. Not in the way that you think. I'm running. Oh my gosh, this is so tiring. I hate this. My body hurts. My mind, you can stop if you want. Oh my gosh, I'm so smart. I can stop. And then I stop. My mind.
And what's the message in that?
Listen to your heart and your mind.
If I did that this morning, I never even would have started the workout.
Oh no, you gotta at least start. You gotta at least see what your mind's gonna tell you.
Yeah, so here's what I do. Here's the trick, the workout trick from Paula. Not only do I follow the modifier person the whole time, not the whole time, a lot of it.
This is my favorite part. Workout tricks from Paula.
Which that alone is like such an oxymoron.
No, it's good. It's great.
So, right now I'm doing this workout where every set or each exercise goes for 60 seconds. Okay?
Yeah.
You can do anything for 60 seconds.
Yikes.
But whenever they're counting down, only 10 seconds left. Oh, for me, that's it. It's done.
10 seconds? Oh.
10 seconds.
What if people are sitting on a 10?
The 10-second mark is when I say, whoo, I did it. I only do 50 seconds.
50 seconds.
I'm on the 50-second plan, hoping that must be the modifier.
That is the moment, 50 seconds.
Yeah.
So you can do anything for 50 seconds.
60 now. Woo, that's pushing it.
See, that's pushing it. So 50 though, that's the goal.
Yeah, I was like, anytime I go over the 50, I go for the full minute. I feel like I am really, really going the extra.
10 seconds. You're actually going the extra 10 seconds. I was about to say mile, but it was really just 10 seconds. Just 10 seconds. It's good. I'm excited to go to the gym tomorrow and try your theory.